experiments, and you're going to have to take these basic old school science kits and you're going to add probeware to them to make them better. And so I thought the best way to do that would be for me to take one of my old school favorite labs and introduce probes into that, so to kind of show you what we're talking about. When you guys were in 8th grade several decades ago, you probably did an experiment called baggie chemistry, where you took Ziploc bags and you put different chemicals in them and they did all kinds of weird things. Does that sound familiar to you at all? No. Well, that's not going to work. Okay, well this is a pretty cool lab. We've got here calcium chloride, and it's little pellets. They look like Dippin' Dots, but don't eat them because they're not good for you. We've got sodium bicarbonate, which is just baking soda, and we've got...
And that's what's left over, right, in the jug?
Yeah. And that has to be diluted like 10 to 1 for it to work. So there's enough cabbage juice for all of us to have cabbage juice tonight. So if you're a huge fan of cabbage juice, just let me know.
Just grabbed a couple of those.
Do we need more than one bag or just one bag?
Just one bag for now. We're gonna split up and do individual experiments to try to figure out what's going on inside this baggie, and then we'll need additional Ziploc bags. A lot of kids, I taught 8th grade, and the first couple of years I taught it, students never even knew what a graduate cylinder was. So this is an easy way to do it. If you're teaching conservation of mass with chemical reactions, this is a great activity because you can mass before and after and during. And so students can learn about conservation of mass.
Does she need to pause in between steps?
No, just go ahead and run it. So when you go ahead and all your group kind of get around so you guys can all feel what's going on inside that, and look for, make observations when you mix your stuff together. Did you put it in a cup?
Well, I was asking questions to be just not like
Yeah. Okay. I wasn't sure because we used that.
I believe it's going to create some gas somehow, but are we ready? By all means, we need to
We're
feel
ready.
what's going on. Okay, here we go.
I wasn't sure because we used that.
You gotta shake it.
So all you guys should be feeling, everyone should be feeling.
You're not a student.
Well, she can still feel. Huh, interesting.
See the temperature change? It is very warm now.
It is?
Alright, so this first reaction, sometimes this reaction takes a little while, so keep feeling your bag and kneading the ingredients together. But I'm hearing a lot of good things. Let's talk about color, first of all. What colors did you guys notice?
it went from white, blue to purple.
White, blue, purple. Anybody see any other colors than white, blue, purple?
Green.
A little bit
Green. What else? Okay, so lavender, that's kind of the way it went at the end. All right, your bags, what did you notice about how they, the state of the bag at the final conclusion, or the final? It expanded, so there's something in the bag. What made it expand, do you think?
gas.
A gas, what kind of gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Why do you say carbon dioxide?
The sodium bicarbonate and other stuff.
Okay, so it's probably a good assumption, right? Because you all did the vinegar and baking soda volcanoes, and your teacher told you that was carbon dioxide, and you probably believed him because teachers don't lie. So that's probably a good guess because we use the sodium bicarbonate. All right, good. So it's probably a carbon dioxide gas. What else? What about temperature? What did you notice about temperatures?
Warm.
Yeah, we got warm.
Okay, did it? It actually got hot. Yours said yours got hot.
Yeah.
Yours got warm. What does that mean? Like if I went outside right now, I would call today a nice day. This was a nice day to me. I don't have a jacket. I don't know if you guys notice I don't have a jacket anymore here. So this is like room temperature outside for me. So is my warm different than your warm?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so it's probably a good assumption, right? Because you all did the vinegar and baking soda volcanoes, and your teacher told you that was carbon dioxide, and you probably believed him because teachers don't lie. So that's probably a good guess because we use the sodium bicarbonate. All right, good. So it's probably a carbon dioxide gas. What else? What about temperature? What did you notice about temperatures? So can you guys explain that probe to them so they know what's going on?
It's a force. We're comparing our dominant hand to our non-dominant hand.
Okay.
And then this is all of us in comparison.
That's my thumb goes here?
Well, if you want to measure your fingers, you can do that.
You can measure your fingers. I am the strongest. Who's surprised?
Okay.
Okay, so.
Go ahead.
Wow. What the heck?
Shake it.
Different group doesn't count.
Okay.
I wanted to show you a lot of the things you guys talked about here. You probably can't see that.
You can zoom in. It's opposite what you think.
It sure is.
I do it every day. Still can't figure it out.
So one of the things we talked about is this is a qualitative rather than quantitative. You guys all mentioned that, which is really good. And a lot of you talked about, especially in the back, you guys talked about the ratios because you always had leftover residue in the bottom. And